Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a truly luxurious product, the Chanel Sublimage L'Extrait de Creme Ultimate Regeneration and Restoring Cream. If you're someone who enjoys pampering your skin with high-end skincare, you're probably familiar with Chanel's reputation for innovation and elegance. But does this cream really live up to its premium price tag? Let's explore its features, performance, and whether it's truly worth the investment. This cream is part of Chanel's Sublimage line, designed to target some of the most visible signs of aging. It's marketed as a powerful anti-aging formula that promises to restore your skin's radiance, elasticity, and firmness. The key ingredients are meant to work in harmony to rejuvenate the skin, improve its texture, and provide intense hydration. It's also said to be suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, which makes it quite versatile. So, how does it actually feel in real life? After using it for a few weeks, the texture is absolutely divine, rich and creamy, but not heavy. It absorbs beautifully into the skin without leaving a greasy residue, which is crucial when you're looking for a product that fits into your daily routine. I've used it both in the morning and at night, and it plays well under makeup, no pilling or excess shine. It's also incredibly hydrating, leaving the skin feeling soft and smooth, almost like you've just had a facial. When it comes to its anti-aging benefits, the results were definitely noticeable. My skin felt firmer, and I noticed a bit more elasticity, which was especially noticeable around the jawline and neck area. As for radiance, it didn't give me an immediate glow like some brightening products, but after consistent use, my complexion did appear more vibrant and refreshed. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this cream is incredibly luxurious, from the texture to the scent. The packaging is premium, with a sleek jar that feels weighty and elegant. The formula is deeply hydrating and provides noticeable anti-aging results over time, especially when used consistently. If you have sensitive skin, this cream is gentle enough to incorporate into your routine without irritation, which is a huge plus. Now for the cons. The biggest downside for many will likely be the price. At over $300 for 1.7 ounces, it's definitely a splurge. The results, while impressive, may not justify the high price for everyone. While it works wonders for firming and hydration, those looking for instant results may not see the kind of dramatic, quick changes that are promised with other high-end products. In terms of value for money, you're definitely paying for the prestige and luxurious formulation. There are other anti-aging creams out there that deliver similar results at a fraction of the price. But if you're after a top-tier experience, this product does live up to its name. Comparing it to other products in the same price range, such as La Mer's Creme de la Mer or Estee Lauder's Reversalist, it's clear that Chanel brings something unique in terms of texture and how it feels on the skin. But if you're on a tighter budget, you can find other high-performing anti-aging creams that don't carry the same luxury label. As for build quality, the packaging is what you'd expect from Chanel: beautiful, high-end, and functional. The jar is heavy, and you can tell a lot of attention went into making this product feel as luxurious as it performs. As for longevity, the jar should last about 2 to 3 months with daily use, which is pretty standard for a product of this type. I haven't personally interacted with Chanel's customer service for this product, but considering the brand's high standards, you can expect responsive support should any issues arise. Given Chanel's long-standing reputation, their customer service is likely to handle any inquiries professionally. Now, let's consider some alternatives. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you could try Olay Regeneration Microsculpting Cream, which provides similar anti-aging benefits like firming and hydration without the hefty price tag. Another alternative could be Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, which uses retinol to tackle fine lines and wrinkles. A great option for those on a budget who want effective results. So what's the final verdict? The Chanel Sublimage L'Extrait de Creme Ultimate Regeneration and Restoring Cream definitely delivers on its promises of hydration, firming, and radiance over time. However, the steep price means it's best suited for those who are willing to invest in a luxurious skincare experience. If you're someone who loves high-end skincare and has the budget for it, this cream might just be worth every penny. But if you're looking for instant results or are more price conscious, you might want to consider more affordable alternatives. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Chanel Sublimage L'Extrait Creme, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.